What's up, everybody? Welcome back to another video on Juice and Toya.
Hey, welcome back.
Today we're going to take you guys through a 15-minute slam ball workout.
Let's get it.
All right, so for this workout, all you'll need is a slam ball. If you don't have a slam ball, a medicine ball will work as well.
Yes.
We're not going to be doing any slamming or throwing with the ball, so medicine ball or slam ball will be fine for this workout.
Exactly.
All right. For reference, I'll be using a 10-pound slam ball.
And I'll be using a 15-pound slam ball, okay? So for the workout format, we're gonna keep it super simple, pretty straightforward. We're taking you through 15 total exercises, okay?
Yep.
We'll do 40 seconds on, 20 seconds off throughout the entire workout. So go as hard as you can throughout those 40 seconds,
Yes.
and then use that 20-second break to grab a drink, grab a towel, take a break before the next exercise that comes up, okay?
Yep.
So for some of the exercises, it might be a little bit too difficult, so Toya is gonna take you through a few modifications if you need them. Okay?
Exactly. So again, this is a no repeat workout. So if you don't like an exercise or it's too hard, push yourself for 40 seconds. You don't have to come back.
Exactly.
All right. So grab your mats, grab your slam balls, medicine balls, and let's get to work.
Let's have some fun with it. guys, that was a 15-minute medicine ball, slam ball video. We hope you got a nice little upper, lower cardio pump with this.
For full body.
Exactly. So if you found that some of the exercises were a little bit too difficult, be sure to slow it down. Focus on form. We know this is a high intensity workout, but focus on your form first until you get the movement down. Then focus on going a little faster, okay? Also, you can feel free to follow Toya for some of the modifications if you need to, and work your way up as you progress through this workout.
Exactly.
And if you still found that some of the exercises were too difficult, drop a question in the comments below and we'll come back to you with some different modifications.
Yep, so if you enjoyed this workout, don't forget to give it a thumbs up.
Yes, please.
And if you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button.
Yes, please.
And make sure you go check out some of our other videos. We have other medicine ball videos if you enjoyed this one. We also have dumbbell, kettlebell, body weight, all the workouts you need, all on the channel. All right? So follow us on Instagram for more content at Toya Sherelle.
At Houston, Texas.
All right, guys, and we'll see you
at the next
on the next video.
At the next video, we about to go. Gonna eat some lunch. No, it's not brunch. If I had a glove, I would punch.
Punch.
That's
he
the
gets
best
that way when he's hungry.